Hi friends, welcome to my channel Food Dugout. Today we'll prepare South Indian dish crab sambar. It is a seafood dish. So let's begin to cook. First you heat the oil. Next add curry leaves. Next one onion. Fry till raw smell goes off. It will get golden color. Then you can add salt. Add ginger garlic paste if you have, otherwise you can crush it. Add green chilies. It will give good taste. Remove outer layer of garlic, which is not good for health. I am removing it. Now it's ready. Friends, onion get golden brown in color. Now you can add crushed ginger garlic. Get good flavor now. Fry till its raw smell goes off. Now you can add washed blue crab. 3 varieties of crabs are there. Blue crab is the best crab. Salt, but don't add water. Crab will releases its water. Just close the lid for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can add water if it's needed. Let it cook. In the meantime, we'll prepare for the masala. Ingredients for the masala: coconut half, red chilli 15, coriander seeds 2 spoon, pepper seeds 2 spoon, jeera 2 spoon, mustard seeds 1 spoon, turmeric powder half spoon. Fry all the ingredients till its raw smell goes off except turmeric powder. Grind all the ingredients with coconut. If you have grinder, please use it. Grinder we can get smooth paste. If you don't have with you, you can use mixie. Add water as per your requirement. Salt as per taste. Add half lemon, or you can add tamarind. Add coriander leaves. Now it's ready. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.